Today's my story is the zoo. Please sit down. I'm Tanaka, the manager of the zoo. Hi, my name is Yamada. I'm here for a job. In this newspaper, your job advertisement here says, it's an easy job. No need to be strong or smart. Is it true? Yes. Oh, really? And the salary is 10,000 yen a day? Yes, of course. Oh, Mr. Tanaka, I'm interested. But this is an animal zoo. What should I do here? Well, last week, our most popular tiger died. Many people come to see this tiger. So, I want you to be this tiger. A tiger? But how? You just wear this tiger's fur costume. Have never been a tiger. It sounds a difficult job. No, it's not difficult. You just walk around in a cage. Very easy. And sleep and eat whenever you want. Oh, I like that. Oh, but one thing. I cannot wake up early in the morning. Don't worry. The zoo opens at 10 o'clock. Very late. But you see, I'm not very smart. I cannot talk to people. No need to talk to people. If a tiger talks, it's strange, right? Yes, okay, that sounds good. I'll do it. Thank you. Oh, it'll be 10 o'clock soon. Hurry up, wear this tiger's fur costume. Okay. First legs, and then the other. Next arm, and then the other one. Oh, I gotta zip it up. Ouch. Next head. There's a mirror over there. Check yourself. Okay, thank you. Row. So, Mr. Tanaka, I'm going to walk around in a cage like this. That's all? Wait. Tigers never walk like that. You haven't seen tigers walking? Let me show you how to do it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Oh, Mr. Tanaka, you look just like a tiger. Is your father a tiger? Stop joking. Now you do it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this? Yes, good. Great job for a beginner. Is your father a tiger? Let me think. My father. Oh, Mr. Tanaka, don't tease me. Oh, it'll be 10 o'clock soon. Hurry up, go in the cage. I need to go now. Good luck. Oh, okay. Thank you, Mr. Tanaka. Oh, kids are coming. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that boy is eating a donut. Give me your donut. Give me your donuts. Mommy, that tiger wants my donut. Don't be silly. Tigers never eat donuts. Give me your donut. very hard to eat it. Mommy! That tiger took off its head and ate the donut! Oh, really? I haven't seen a tiger that eats donuts. It's a strange tiger. Phew, I'm scared that they will find out I'm a fake tiger. King Kong Kong Kong! Oh, what's that announcement? May I have your attention, please? From now, we have a special event. A show, a fight between the hero of the jungle, a tiger, and the king of wild animals, a white lion. Please get together in front of the tiger's cage. Soon, a wonderful show will begin. Oh, a show that must be interesting. Lion and tiger. Oh, they fight. I want to see it too. Lion and tiger. Lion and tiger. Lion and tiger. Tiger? Oh no, it's me. I didn't hear anything about this. I can't fight a lion. I can't even fight my neighbor's chihuahua. Mr. Tanaka, help me, help me. La, 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 la. Don't open the gate. Don't let the lion in. Go away, shoo, shoo, go away. Mommy, look, that tiger got scared. It is shaking. Of course, a tiger that eats donuts is never strong. Oh no, what should I do? What should I do? Okay, let me try this. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Oh no, it's not working. Don't worry, it's me, the manager, Tanaka.
Thank you.